Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. Here in this session, I am going to demonstrate you that how to convert your speech into text. Basically, we are going to recognize the speech and thereafter going to convert it into text. So basically, if you are going to see the code that is written on the screen, this code uses speech recognition library. As you can see that this speech recognition library to record the audio using a microphone and then transcribe it to text using Google Speech API. Using Google Speech API. How it is going to be done? Let me try to explain it line by line. So if you are going to see this first line, pip install speech recognition, this is going to be installed. So this first line will install the speech recognition library using pip. This second line, pip install pipwin. This second line will install pipwin library using pip. And the third line, that is pip install pi audio. So this third line is going to install pi audio library using pip. I have by default installed all these three libraries. So let's start from the code. Here, this code is going to import the speech underscore recognition. Basically, this code is importing the speech recognition module and we are using it as a SR. And it is going to create an instance of the recognizer class. It is going to create an instance of the recognizer class. As you can see that this one. After that, which is going to convert it for using, or you can say that which we are going to use for transcribing the audio, right? After that, we are having one block with. This block is used to open the default microphone with sr.microphone as source, correct? So this block is going to be used to open the default microphone as a source for recording, as a source for recording. Thereafter, the second line here in the with block, recording.adjust underscore for ambient noise. It simply means that this is a method which is going to be used. This method, adjust for ambient noise. Which method? Adjust for ambient method. This method is going to be used to account for any background noise that may be present. Obviously, if any background noise will be present, it is going to be counted. Thereafter, Thereafter, with the help of this line, the user is going to prompted to speak like please say something. So it is like prompted to speak something. And thereafter, audio equals to recording dot listen and source. It means that this method is going to listen, it is going to use for recording the audio from microphone. Thereafter, if you are going to see the recorded audio, whatever we are going to speak after this prompt will be appear, please say something. The recording audio thereafter is going to be passed as an argument. The recording audio is going to be passed as an argument, and here you can see to recognize underscore Google method. What this method will do, it will use the Google Speech API, recognize underscore Google. This will use Google Speech API to transcribe the audio to text, and the transcribed text is going to be printed because we have written inside print. You said so. Let's run it, and you are going to see. So let me try to make screen very clearly. Here you are going to see the output. Let's say I am running it, and after running this file, I have to please say something, right? Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Okay, I have to please say something, right? Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, right? So my speech is converted into text. You can clearly see in this part, correct? So this is how you can convert any speech into text using Google Speech API easily using Python code, right? I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Have a very nice day. If you are having any doubt, confusion, query, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.